After you've downloaded the sample project and unzipped it, you should find a folder called Attack of the Cuteness. Inside that folder are the 3 different types of assets we need for this project. There are source files. We've got build.settings, config.lua, and main.lua. There are graphics. We've got background, beetle ship. These are all ping files, octopus, and planet. And then we've got some audio files, and we actually have 2 different kinds. We've got blast.mp3, boing-1.wave, and wah-wah-wah.mp3. So you can mix and match the type of audio file, and in fact you can mix and match graphic files also. We could actually have not just ping files, but we could have JPEG files too. For this example, we're using all ping though. If you're using Outlaw for your IDE, then this is how you install the sample code or the project code. Take Attack of the Cuteness and drag it over and drop it onto one of the groups. In this case, I'm dropping it on the Game Dev Course group. And now when I open this up, here we've got Attack of the Cuteness right there, and I can open it and double-click main.lua, and here is our file so we can get started.